Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Eyes and Tools.
Before we jump into today's project, here's what's new with Dreamina Seedance 2.5 in CapCut PC. It can now generate videos up to 30 seconds long, supports up to 50 multimodal reference assets, and delivers smoother motion with high visual consistency. That means you can create longer, more coherent AI videos with fewer generations and much less manual editing. Today, I'll show you exactly how I use it to turn a single football figurine into a complete cinematic product campaign, all inside CapCut PC. Today on iZen Tools, I am taking one simple football figurine concept and turning it into a full set of cinematic product ads inside CapCut PC. I created this whole video myself, no camera crew, no expensive studio setup, no actual product photo shoots. Just Dreamina Seedance 2.0 in CapCut PC. Let me show you the process. I start in CapCut PC, open AI video, upload my product image, and choose Dreamina Seedance 2.0. From there, I set the aspect ratio, duration, and the first visual direction. For this campaign, I want a premium collectible figure with stadium lighting, dynamic camera movement, detailed plastic and fabric textures, and a high-energy football atmosphere without using real team logos, flags, or branded elements. The first version is a blue and white collectible figure. Then I build red and white, green and yellow, and gold special edition versions from the same starting concept. The product stays recognizable, but every version has its own mood, color direction, and campaign angle. I'm selecting Dreamina Seedance 2.5 here because it produces more consistent characters, smoother camera movement, and higher quality commercial outputs compared to previous generations.
I thought today was all about watching the match until I found this. The details are honestly insane. It literally looks like the player came to life. If you're a football fan, this is probably the coolest collectible you'll ever own.
Now, I take the strongest generated clip and move into Omni Reference mode, or switch to Omni Reference mode and enter a prompt. Here you can see 3 different product directions, all generated with the same workflow. Each one has its own color theme, but they still feel like part of the same commercial campaign. This is where the campaign expands beyond one simple product shot. I can create rotating product displays, close-ups of the jersey texture, detail shots of the figure base, stadium lighting moments, and fan celebration scenes. I can also keep building from the previous clip, so the product, character, and atmosphere stay connected across multiple shots. You will get an amazing video where the product, characters, and atmosphere stay consistent across multiple shots. This is extremely useful for creating full commercial campaigns without designing every asset manually. Once all the AI clips are ready, I move everything onto CapCut's multi-track timeline. From here, I can easily rearrange the shot order, trim clips, add smooth transitions, insert background music, and automatically generate subtitles, all without leaving CapCut. I can still make frame-level adjustments whenever I need more precise control, then polish everything with Edit Pilot before exporting the final commercial. Instead of switching between multiple editing apps, the entire workflow, from AI generation to final editing, happens in one workspace.
Until I found this. The details are honestly insane. It literally looks like the player came to life. If you're a football fan, this is probably the coolest collectible you'll ever own.
What started as one product idea is now a full set of short commercial assets that can be adapted for social media, product pages, launch campaigns, or different audience segments. From generating cinematic AI footage to polishing the final edit on a professional multi-track timeline, CapCut PC lets you complete the entire creative workflow in one place. And with Dreamina Seedance 2.5 bringing longer video generation, higher consistency, and more powerful reference controls, creating commercial quality content has never been easier. Click the link in the description to try CapCut PC and experience the complete AI-powered production workflow for yourself.